Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll show you how to claim and withdraw trial cash from Palmpay in 2025. So let's dive right in. First, open up your Palmpay app and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see the trial cash option. Just click on it. And here's you'll see your trial cash balance. For me, it's 1411.885 now. To claim your trial cash, simply click on it. As you can see, Palmpay is giving me 500 for today. Tap on it and boom, I have claimed 500. Now there is another claim available for today. So I will click on this one for another 500. It's really that simple. But wait, there's more. I can even claim another 600. So let me add that too. Now, as you can see, my trial cash balance is going up. If you log in daily, you can keep claiming more trial cash up to 3000. Now let's talk about withdrawing. You can't withdraw the full trial cash, but you can withdraw the interest you have earned. To do that, go to your cash box, tap on withdraw, and here you will see how much you can withdraw. For me, it's 22. So I'll go ahead and select that amount. Once you have selected how much to withdraw, click on next and then enter your PIN. And just like that, your cash will be withdrawn into your Palmpay balance. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.